Plant-based foods have risen to prominence in recent years, be it from concerns about the natural world or potential health impacts. As a result, consumers have become increasingly interested in plant-based goods and gravitate to vegan, vegetarian, and flexitarian diet plans. This proves to be a valuable nutritional source while supporting new, more environmentally friendly standards. The question is, what has the fast food industry done about it? Currently, more and more chain restaurants are catering to a growing market for plant-based options by creating new vegan meals or modifying existing ones to meet the growing needs for plant-based alternatives. Hey there! Welcome to Vegan's Choice, a channel dedicated to assisting you in your vegan lifestyle journey. You name it, we have it all. From vegan foods to the right habits, we've got your back. In today's episode, we will talk about the different fast food chains that finally offer vegan foods. But before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any of our uploads. Number 1. McDonald's. The long-awaited plant-based burger called McPlant from McDonald's has finally been introduced after years of build-up. Currently, the restaurant firm is focused on expanding the availability of McPlant burgers to customers around the world. Using a pea protein patty, the release of the McPlant is the first time the business has offered a faux meat hamburger in the United States. While the burger is vegan in the United Kingdom, the variant served in the United States includes mayonnaise and American cheese that are not vegan. Furthermore, the fries are not vegan due to the presence of natural beef flavor. Following the announcement of its alliance with Beyond Meat earlier this year, the fast food conglomerate teased a new plant-based era for the brand. In addition, the fast food company stated that it will be continuing to focus on its commitment to environmental sustainability by pledging to achieve net zero emissions by the year 2050. Number 2. KFC. KFC, yes, you heard that right, has announced the upcoming debut of their new Beyond Fried Chicken, which was produced mainly for KFC by meat alternatives business Beyond Meat and will be available in limited quantities. With considerable success, the restaurant chain started implementing its Beyond Fried Chicken in 2019, with the first batch selling out in less than 5 hours. On January 10, 2022, the choice became widely accessible on menus across participating branches. Customers can choose between 6 and 12-piece versions from the plant-based menu, ordered as a combo or a la carte. Thankfully, it is difficult to tell that you are eating a plant-based meal made with pea protein and seasoned with KFC's distinctive, finger-lickin' good flavors. Number 3. Panda Express. The chances are good that you will find yourself at a Panda Express location in the coming weeks. It has been announced that the multinational American-Chinese fast food giant will introduce a new Beyond the Original Orange Chicken menu item, which will serve as a plant-based counterpart to its most beloved dish on the menu. Initially, the plant-based option was made available in various New York City and California sites. However, customers in every state in the United States will soon be able to purchase the popular orange chicken option as the business prepares for a statewide rollout. When it comes to plant-based meals, the chain's eggplant tofu and green mixed vegetables are excellent places to start while you're waiting for the orange chicken to come out. Number 4. Taco Bell. The Taco Bell menu has consistently been one of the most vegan-friendly options available in the fast food industry for a long time. It has dependably supplied meatless food options, such as the black bean burrito, and today offers over 30 vegetarian items on its US menu. Taco Bell's menu is, in fact, a utopia for plant-based eaters who are in a hurry. Since Taco Bell is a popular choice among vegan customers, the company is trying to expand its menu selections and develop delicious plant-based meat throughout the United States. Plant-based meat will soon be available as a substitute in some of Taco Bell's well-known and popular menu items, reducing its reliance on beans, which have been an ingredient since its founding. This, however, will be the company's first venture into the highly popular area of faux meats and poultry. It also happens to be timed perfectly with the company's collaboration with Beyond Meat on creating plant-based proteins. This will be called Boldly Seasoned Plant-Based Protein and will be made accessible as a free replacement for any animal-based protein on the menu. Hello folks! We are already halfway through our video, and we hope you gain some valuable information from it. While we are here, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Back to the topic at hand. Number 5. Burger King. When the plant-based Impossible Burger debuted on Burger King's menu in 2019, it was one of the first international businesses to do so. The Impossible Whopper, which is famed for its mayonnaise, can be ordered vegan style without it, proving an immediate hit for the firm. Burger King's plant-based product push went one step further this year and established its first Spanish branch that serves only vegetarian meals. In Spain, the Burger King pop-up took over a Burger King store to show off the company's progress in making plant-based meals. The plant-based pop-up, which ran for 1 month and featured specialty vegetarian selections produced in collaboration with the vegetarian butcher, was successful. Vegetarian options like the Whopper, nugget meals, and the Long Vegetal, a plant-based counterpart of the Long Chicken Sandwich, were available at the location. Number 6. Chipotle. Chipotle has made plant-based dining on the fly more convenient than ever before. You can create the bowl or burrito of your dreams in a matter of minutes, thanks to the countless customization choices available. Thankfully, Chipotle has finally added a 100% vegan and plant-based chorizo to its list after 8 years of waiting. It is made using fresh-grown peas, making Chipotle's plant-based chorizo a natural source of protein. This dish is bursting with flavor and nutrients with ancho and chipotle peppers, tomato, garlic, smoked paprika, and extra virgin olive oil as seasonings. The chorizo is high in protein because it is made from peas as its foundation. It is also certified vegan and manufactured without flavorings, colors, additives, cereals, wheat, or soy, making it a healthy and delicious option for a wide range of individuals. Chipotle decided to bypass partnering with other meat alternative businesses and decided to develop its own. The initial experiment for this was so successful that Chipotle has now expanded the plant-based chorizo to include all of its locations countrywide. Number 7. Little Caesars. Here's some news. Vegan pepperoni is now available at Little Caesars. Planteroni pizza, made with Field Roast's innovative plant-based pepperoni, will be available at select Little Caesars locations. There is the same amount of protein in each serving of this vegan pepperoni pizza as animal-derived pepperoni. Plus, it is devoid of GMOs and artificial ingredients. Instead, paprika, fennel, anise, cracked black pepper, garlic, and cayenne pepper are used to season the protein-packed dish created with potato and pea protein. Customers can now request a meatless topping for any customized pizza they purchase from the restaurant. Number 8. Pizza Hut. In November 2020, Pizza Hut announced that it would be adding vegan sausage created by Beyond Meat to its offerings in the United States, making it the first pizza company to serve plant-based meat options on a national scale. The Beyond Italian Sausage Pizza and the Great Beyond Pizza are two of the new Beyond Pan pizzas that have been introduced. These pizzas are based on the traditional dairy cheese pizza from Pizza Hut and are covered with Beyond Italian sausage bits. On the other hand, the latter includes fresh vegetable toppings such as tomatoes, sliced red onions, and zesty banana peppers. Beyond Italian sausage is also offered as an optional topping on customizable pizzas, including those with stuffed crust. Overall, veganism captured the food business by surprise as people become more concerned about their influence on the environment and choose a plant-based diet. As a result, consumption of vegan foods increased rapidly, resulting in an increased commercial potential for companies in the food industry. Keep in mind that vegan alternatives on fast food chain menus cater to people who are vegan and those who are attempting to minimize their meat, dairy, and egg intake because of mounting evidence that is detrimental to one's health. Through offering organic and healthy options, the fast food industry is opening the door to thousands of non-vegans who may be terrified by plant-based cuisine. Now that you know which fast food restaurants offer vegan options, which one would you like to visit? Feel free to express yourself in the comment section below. And that's a wrap! Once again, this is Vegan's Choice, leaving you with the message that along with careful research and an awareness of what constitutes a nutritious, diversified vegan diet, you can ensure that your body receives all of the components it needs and that our channel is here to assist you every step of the way. There is no need to say goodbye. We will see you next time.